I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you a weight loss salad which you can prepare in 5 minutes. So I have taken some veggies that I had at home. I have taken paneer and then I have taken mushroom. This is the button mushroom. They are super yummy. So I've washed them and I'm just going to chop them now. This is also a perfect recipe for bachelors because it does not need a lot of ingredients and does not take a lot of cooking time. So this salad is actually a veg bowl, like a veg salad. I didn't had any non-veg at home. Maybe you can use chicken in this, maybe you can use prawns, or yeah, anything you want. Basically anything that you have at home, you can just add all of them in this and prepare this salad. It's something that you can make in 5 minutes because all these veggies in salad, they don't take much cooking time. So I'm chopping down all the mushrooms here. I'm actually making 3 portions, like 3 bowls for me, my husband and my mom. So mushrooms are done. So next I'm using broccoli. I highly recommend using broccoli and mushroom, and paneer is actually, it is a substitute for chicken. It gives a very chewy and soft texture similar to chicken. So now we are going to put the broccoli in salt and turmeric water, similar to what we do with cauliflower and all. So just I've already washed them, but I'll just keep them in this water for some time. I'm using 2 broccoli because, as I said, we are making for 3 portion. So when you're making the salad, I highly recommend you not to skip broccoli and mushroom. They adds a very good flavor to it. You can use any vegetable of your preference. I just had this, and because we make this very often, we have almost all of these veggies almost every day at home. So whenever we just feel like eating something light and still full, we always make this. So then I'm taking some sweet corn. It is the frozen corn that I have now, so I'll just wash that and I'll use it. And then there are some carrots that I use. I like carrots in salad. I always use carrots. Carrots also, I just washed them and kept them. Then I'm using bell pepper. I happen to have this yellow and red. I usually don't buy these fancy stuffs. I usually go with the green ones. I usually have green, and green adds better flavor. I think after using this, I think that green gave better taste than the colored one. So I prefer using green bell pepper for salads and not the red and yellow. Maybe they just look appealing in the, by adding a lot of color and all, but I prefer using the green bell pepper because they are available very locally, even next shop. So you can use the green ones. No need of using the yellow and red and nothing. It doesn't add an extra flavor or something. Green is always the best. So I'll chop all of them, and they are so colorful. Look at this. I highly recommend that you make the salad and try it because they are so delicious. First of all, because different veggies are of different flavors and different textures. So actually, like mushroom adds a different taste, paneer adds a different texture to it, broccoli adds a different color and a feel to it, and also it is a very good antioxidant. Broccoli is really good for health. We often buy that. So I'm just chopping the broccoli after washing them properly, and I'm so happy. Look at the color. So that is done. Now I think we have done with all of the veggies. You can use tomato, you can use onion, you can use any of those veggies that you have. And if you happen to have apples, right, I definitely recommend you add it because that will take your salad to another level. That sweetness, maybe you can add it along with the bell pepper. It is very delicious. So this is what we have right now. I highly recommend that you chop the veggies into even pieces and equal and bite-sized pieces so that they are cooked evenly and they cook faster. So let's start cooking. I'm just using a bit of a butter and start cooking. You can use olive oil. I will not suggest, don't use coconut oil, but maybe some any other oil, just a bit, a spoon or so, something very less. Even oil is even not even required actually, but just for a flavor I'm just using a bit of butter, where I'm first sauteing the paneer. And don't deep fry it, okay, because paneer will become very hard and rough. You just need to soften the paneer. All the water from inside the paneer will come out, and paneer on the soft ayamadi, so you don't have to make it very rough. അപ്പം അതിനകത്ത് നിന്ന് കുറച്ച് വാട്ടറൊക്കെ വരുമ്പോഴേക്കും യു ക്യാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് ആഡ് ദ പൗഡേഴ്സ്. സോ ദീസ് ആർ ദ പൗഡേഴ്സ് ദാറ്റ് we need to use all in the cooking. So I'm just adding a bit cumin powder just for the paneer, and some garam masala as well, just so that it enhance some, or it adds some flavor to paneer. If you have chicken, you can add some cooked chicken in this. At this point, maybe at some point after sorting the veggies, if it's cooked, it is all based on how you want it to be. So after the paneer is bit sorted, I'm adding the mushrooms. So now I'm adding the mushrooms. They are the button mushrooms. They are very tasty. They add a very different flavor to your salad. If it is any non-veg, if it's a veg salad, it's a must, because this adds a very good flavor. So now I'm just sorting it. After some time, you can see that a bit of the water comes out from mushroom. Don't overcook it, because we need to add more veggies, and all of this has to go well combined. So just give it a 30-second or something, and then we can continue adding the rest of the veggies into it. You can also add salt at this time. Now both the paneer and the mushrooms are really cooked well. A bit of the water started coming out from mushroom, and the mushroom has shrunken a bit. So now at this point I'm adding carrot, because I like carrot to be a little bit on the cooked side, at least to 80%. Saute the carrot and give it maybe a 30 seconds maximum. We don't want all the veggies to be too much cooked. So just saute it, and maybe after 30 seconds we can add the rest of the veggies. Now I'm adding broccoli here. You can add veggies depending on the cooking time they take, and how much you want the veggies to be cooked. Some veggies we like it a little bit crunchy and raw, so add them at the last. It's totally your personal choice. Now after adding broccoli, I'm just adding some pepper powder and some salt. You can add salt according to your taste. So actually the only powders we need here is the pepper powder and salt. That's all needed. And just to give it a bit of flavor to the paneer, I added a bit of garam masala and cumin powder. That is also optional. So I loved how this turned out to be. This looks so beautiful already. You can eat it like this. You need not add a lot of veggies. But because we need 3 portions, just to increase the quantity, I'm adding more veggies, like whatever is already prepared and chopped. I loved looking at this. It's so yummy already. I feel like I'm drooling over this. You can maybe just give it a few seconds. You can cook this at high flame, just saute it properly very well all the time. So at this point I'm adding the sweet corns that I have. Sweet corn also takes a bit of the cooking time, like maybe another 30 seconds. You can saute it well while it and after a few seconds I'm adding the rest of the bell pepper. Bell pepper is usually that I add at the end of the cooking, and I'm just adding some fresh pudin leaves and coriander leaves, and just adding 1/4 slice of lemon juice, and then just giving it a good saute. And it's almost done. Just give it another 30 seconds so that the bell pepper also gets some time to cook, like a bit. It just need to saute and just get into the flavor, and just maybe just loosen a bit. So at this point it's ready, and I'm serving to a bowl. And the dinner is ready. It's a very yummy, it's very light, it's still a bit on the fully side. It makes you feel very full. You just need any veggies that you have at home, and you can quickly sort this up and make a quick and very healthy dinner. You can also add boiled egg or just poached egg or whatever you want. You can add it on this and maybe eat it with it or without that also. It's great. Look at how it turned out to be. This was so delicious. I highly suggest you try it out. This is one of the family's all-time favorite. I don't know where I got this recipe from, but yeah, it is really good. My mom likes to eat it with some of the nuts for a crunch, so she eats it like that. And here is we having our delicious veg salad bowl, and I hope you will also try this out and let me know in the comments below how you liked it, so that I can upload more videos like this and maybe that will help you out. So we are having our dinner, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any videos that I upload in the future. I am sure you will have a delicious dinner if you also make this recipe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living on